Hey, welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy. It's STACEYHEINY, your holistic nutritionist. This is the place that we help to remove overwhelm for healthy, holistic, plant-based living. I am so glad that you are here. Today, I'm talking to you about the power of plants in our daily eating pattern and how eating fruits and vegetables and whole grains and beans and legumes, nuts and seeds can get us on track to a better way of living, can give us our energy back, can improve our digestion, can reduce our risk for chronic illness, and so much more. Whole plant foods give us all of the essential vitamins and minerals and amino acids that we need. But have you ever thought about supplementing a plant-based lifestyle? I'm here to talk to you today about why you might want to consider doing that. As a nutritionist and holistic health practitioner, I think it's really important to bring to light the fact that our food is not the same as it used to be. The mineral content is lower, the vitamin content is lower, and we have to actually take a look at our diet from a bird's eye view and ask if we're getting everything that we need. Now, we can get everything that we need from a whole food plant-based eating pattern as long as we are eating a good wide variety of whole plant foods on a daily basis and trying to aim for 30 plants per week, 30 different plants per week. But most Americans are not even eating enough fruits and vegetables in the first place. They're not eating enough whole plant foods. In fact, it's about 10% of the American diet. So the fact of the matter is that even if somebody's on the standard American diet eating supplemented foods like vitamin fortified cereals, etc., I think having an insurance policy with a good quality multivitamin is a really smart thing to do. I think it's smart for all whole food plant-based eaters that are currently eating this way. I think it's smart for people who are transitioning to a whole food plant-based diet. And I think it's really smart for people who are living an omnivorous life as well. I think everybody should be taking a good quality multivitamin. That is why I'm going to tell you today about my favorite essential multivitamin that is made specifically for plant-based eaters. So here are 5 key reasons why you might want to consider taking a multivitamin. First is nutrition deficiencies. It can be difficult to get all of the essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs from food alone, particularly if you have a dietary restriction or a limited diet. A multivitamin can help fill in the gaps and ensure that you're getting all of the nutrients that your body needs. The next reason is because of increased nutrient demands. Certain life stages, such as pregnancy or breastfeeding, may require increased nutrient intake to support the health of both mother and baby. A multivitamin can help ensure that you're meeting these increased nutrient demands. The third reason is because of a busy lifestyle. If you are constantly on the go, it can be difficult to consistently eat a well-balanced diet. A multivitamin can help provide peace of mind that you're getting the essential nutrients that your body needs, even if your diet isn't perfect. The fourth reason is because of health conditions. Certain health conditions or medications can interfere with the absorption or utilization of certain vitamins and minerals, leading to nutrition deficiencies. A multivitamin can help ensure that you're getting the essential nutrients that your body needs, even if you have a health condition or are taking medication that interferes with nutrient absorption. And then aging. As we age, our body becomes less efficient at absorbing the utilization of certain vitamins and minerals, leading to deficiencies. A multivitamin can help to ensure that you're getting the essential nutrients that your body needs, particularly as you age. It's important to note that while a multivitamin can help fill nutrient gaps, it should not be used as a replacement for a healthy diet. So I'm here to encourage you to incorporate more healthy whole plant foods on a daily basis, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, and to flood your body with all the right things. And to take an insurance policy of a good multivitamin. That's why we take Complement Essential Multivitamin. It contains B12, D3, DHA, EPA, iodine, K2, zinc, magnesium, and selenium. And it's easy to take in 3 capsules a day. And this is not medical advice, but we are so excited to say that our son Cohen now knows how to swallow soft gels. So he takes one of the Complement Essential multivitamins every single day too. He wants to show you how he knows how to take a soft gel without gagging. Go ahead. So you take the pill, you put it in your mouth, you keep your chin down once you get the fluid into your mouth, and that helps anybody, regardless if they're children or adults, to swallow multivitamins. Did you get it? High five. All right, so make sure that you get Complement. You can go down at the link down in the show notes to get a discount on our favorite essential multivitamin that we take every single day. I hope that this was helpful and have a great day. Be well. High five. Good job, buddy.